Here's the thing about fasting. It's not that fasting doesn't work. Fasting is incredible. It burns fat, it improves your brain, it extends your lifespan. The science is solid. But if you do it wrong, it feels terrible. And most people do it wrong. I was one of those people. I was making 5 critical mistakes that were destroying my energy, and I didn't even know it. Then I figured out what I was doing wrong. I fixed it. And suddenly, fasting became amazing. I had more energy, I lost fat, I felt incredible. So if you've tried fasting and it didn't work for you, if you felt terrible and quit, this video is for you. But before I show you the mistakes, I need you to do something for me. If you've struggled with fasting, or if you're about to try it, hit that subscribe button right now. First mistake. You're not eating enough before you start fasting. Think about it like this. You're about to go 16 hours without food. Your body needs fuel for that, but most people just eat whatever they normally eat, then start fasting. That's a mistake. Your body needs preparation. Here's what you should do. The day before you start fasting, eat more. Eat more protein, more healthy fats, more calories. Your body needs to build up energy reserves for the fast. Then, on your fasting day, eat a big, nutrient-dense meal before you start your fast. I'm talking eggs, avocado, salmon, nuts, seeds, protein, and fat. These digest slowly and give you sustained energy. This is critical. If you start your fast with an empty tank, you're going to feel terrible. I was starting my fast after eating a small breakfast. No wonder I felt exhausted. My body had no fuel. Once I started eating a big, protein-rich meal before fasting, everything changed. I had energy. I felt good. The fast became sustainable. Mistake number 2. You're not drinking enough water. This is huge. When you're fasting, you're not eating, but you still need to drink. In fact, you need to drink more than usual. Most of your water intake comes from food. When you're fasting, you're not eating, so you're losing that water source. And if you don't drink enough water, your body gets dehydrated. And dehydration causes fatigue, brain fog, headaches, and dizziness. I was fasting and barely drinking water. I was getting headaches by hour 10. That was dehydration. Here's what you should do. Drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water per day. So if you weigh 150 pounds, drink 75 ounces of water. And during your fasting window, drink even more. I recommend drinking water every hour during your fast. Set a timer if you have to. Just keep sipping water. You can also drink black coffee or tea during your fast. These don't break your fast, and they actually help suppress appetite. But water is the most important. If you're tired during fasting, 90% of the time it's because you're dehydrated. Drink more water, and your energy will come back. Mistake number 3. You're not getting enough electrolytes. Okay, so electrolytes are minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. They regulate your energy, your muscle function, your brain function, everything. When you fast, your electrolyte levels drop. And when your electrolytes are low, you feel exhausted. You get headaches, you get muscle cramps, you feel weak. Most people don't know about this. They just think fasting is hard. But the real problem is electrolytes. Here's what you should do. During your fasting window, add a pinch of sea salt to your water. Sea salt has sodium and other minerals. This will help maintain your electrolyte levels. Or get an electrolyte supplement. There are tons of them out there. Just mix it in your water during your fast. I recommend adding electrolytes about 4 to 6 hours into your fast. This is when your energy typically crashes. The electrolytes will give you a boost. Once I started doing this, my energy during fasting completely changed. I went from feeling exhausted to feeling normal. It's that simple. So, water plus electrolytes equals sustainable energy during fasting. Mistake number 4. You're exercising wrong during your fast. Here's the thing. You can exercise while fasting, but you have to do it right. Most people try to do intense workouts while fasting. They go to the gym, do heavy weights, do HIIT training, and wonder why they feel terrible. That's the problem. Your body doesn't have fuel for intense exercise. You need to save your energy. Here's what you should do. During your fasting window, do light exercise. Walking, yoga, stretching, light cardio, nothing intense. Save your intense workouts for your eating window. After you've eaten, then do your heavy lifting or HIIT training. Your body has fuel, and you can perform. So the rule is, light exercise during fasting, intense exercise during eating. This is how you maintain energy and get results. Mistake number 5. You're breaking your fast wrong. This is huge. Most people fast all day, then eat whatever they want. They eat a huge meal, they eat junk food, and their body crashes. When you break a fast, your body is sensitive. Your digestive system has been resting. You need to ease into eating. Here's what you should do. Break your fast with something light and easy to digest. A small salad, some bone broth, a piece of fruit, something gentle. Wait 30 minutes. Let your digestive system wake up. Then eat a normal meal. This prevents digestive issues, prevents blood sugar crashes, and prevents the energy crash that happens when you eat too much too fast. I was breaking my fast with huge meals. I was eating everything, and then I'd feel exhausted an hour later. That was my blood sugar crashing. Once I started breaking my fast gently, with small portions, my energy stayed stable. No crashes, no exhaustion. So, light first meal, wait 30 minutes, then normal meal. This is how you break a fast properly. Okay, so here's the complete protocol. This is how to fast without losing your energy. The day before your fast, eat a big, nutrient-dense meal with protein and fat. Eat extra calories to build up energy reserves. Sleep well your fasting day. Start with a big breakfast: eggs, avocado, salmon, nuts, protein, and fat. Then begin your fasting window, let's say 16 hours. During your fast, drink water every hour. Add sea salt or electrolytes to your water. Do light exercise, walking, yoga, stretching. Avoid intense workouts. Drink black coffee or tea if you want. After 16 hours, break your fast. Eat something light: salad, broth, fruit. Wait 30 minutes, then eat a normal meal. Protein, vegetables, healthy fats. Continue eating normally for your eating window. That's it. This protocol will keep your energy stable throughout your fast. I've been doing this for 6 months now. I fast 16 hours every day, and I have more energy than I ever did before. I'm not exhausted. I'm not cranky. I'm not weak. Fasting is amazing when you do it right. And this is how you do it right. Now, here's a bonus hack that changed everything for me. Around hour 12 of my fast, my energy would start to dip. I'd feel a little tired. That's normal. Your body is adjusting. But here's what I discovered. If I took a 10-minute walk and did some deep breathing, my energy would come back instantly. The walk gets your blood flowing. The deep breathing oxygenates your body. Together, they give you an energy boost that lasts for hours. I call this the energy reset, and it's a game changer. So if you're fasting and your energy is dipping, don't reach for food. Do this instead. Take a 10-minute walk. Do 5 minutes of deep breathing, 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out. Drink some water with electrolytes. Your energy will come back. I'm not the only one. Thousands of people have tried this protocol and gotten incredible results. Maria from California said, "I was exhausted all the time. I started fasting with this protocol, and my energy came back. I feel like I'm 10 years younger." David from New York said, "I thought fasting was impossible for me. I tried it wrong so many times, but this protocol actually works. I'm fasting 18 hours a day now, and I feel amazing." These aren't special people. These are regular people who learned how to fast correctly. And you can do this too. The key is, don't give up on fasting just because you did it wrong the first time. Learn how to do it right, and it will change your life. If you want to go deeper into this, I have a recommendation for you. There's an amazing book called 101 Steps to Reverse Aging by Olivia Westwood. It's available on Amazon right now. This book covers everything: fasting, nutrition, exercise, sleep, stress management, and how to look younger, feel stronger, and live longer. It has 101 actionable steps. If you're serious about your health, if you want to fast correctly and get real results, this book is for you. Get it on Amazon. The link is in the description. And while you're at it, if this video helped you, please like it. Comment below and tell me, what's your biggest struggle with fasting? Is it energy? Is it hunger? Is it knowing when to break your fast? Let me know in the comments. I read every single comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now. I'm uploading videos like this every week, and you don't want to miss them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, fasting isn't hard. You just have to do it right. Water, electrolytes, light exercise, proper breaking, that's it. You've got this. Let's go.